Okay, here we are. We're in the lectures of Yanuka that were written down, the Building the Walls of Jerusalem, part 6, which opens up with Kabbalah Torah, Hi Al Yidei Hayira, Vasagas Hayira. First of all, receiving and accepting and internalizing the Torah depends on your awareness and fear of the heavens. Vasagas Hayira, and your ability to attain this awareness and fear. Al Yidei HaKesher Shel Adam L'Seder Nesinsa Umesirsa. The ability for you to be able to connect and download this Torah is through a person connecting to the order of the Torah, how it was given and how it was passed down from generation to generation. If you're not connected to how the Torah was given to us and how it got to you, you're not really going to ever download it. Okay, let's see. It's taught in Talmud Brachos. Shekafi shebahar Sinai, haisa Kabbalah satoyer be'ema v'yira bersasta uvezia. That accordingly, since at Mount Sinai the Torah was given to us in a state of awe and fear and trepidation and like astoundment, all these words of like how humbled and shocked and blown away we were by this opportunity to get the Torah. So too, our learning of Torah has to be with awe and trepidation and fear and trembling. We have to, when we're learning Torah, be in the same state of mind that the Israelites were when they got the Torah in the first place. It's not like, oh, that was different for them. God was revealed. Same thing. We're learning the Torah. We got to feel like, oh, blown away. Are you kidding me? That's how we should feel. Kinsinta, like noting, like it was given. Sorry. And then in order that a human should come to learn the Torah in a state of awe and awareness when it was given, we have to be involved in the learning from a place of connecting to the order of the transmission of the Torah, how it was passed down from its original giving and from its passing. Which means, you're learning Torah, you have to understand this was given to the Israelites at Mount Sinai. Moses gave it to Joshua, gave it to the elders, to the prophets, to the Anshe Knesset HaGedolah, to the Ezra Nehemiahs, to the Second Temple courts, to the Tanaim Amoraim, the Gaonim, the Rishonim, the Achronim, the Rosh Hashivas, every generation. Well, I gotta hurry up. We're about to get rained down out here. Because the Torah is fire. And in order that the Torah should light up a person, and in order that a person should receive this fire, it has to be like this learning has to be like fire, the light that comes out of the fire. The Torah is fire, so now we need to pull the light from the fire. And this light is a good and beneficial light. It's a pleasing light for humans, the light of the Torah. And not like a fire that has no place to stand in its place of burning. Like they have to make a place for it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to benefit from it. So when a person wants to learn Torah without the order of how it got to you, you're not comprehending how this Torah got to you, you don't know the history of it, you don't understand what it went through to make it from Moses to you. If you don't do that, then the Torah is going to be like a fire for you, going to burn you. And you're not going to be able to receive it. You can't hold this Torah if you don't know how it got to you. It's going to just be this like harsh, fiery thing for you that's not going to be pleasing or pleasant. But when you learn the Torah with deep contemplation of how this Torah got to you, first thing I did when I got to Tzfat in Yeshiva, not the first thing I did, the first thing the Rosh Yeshiva did, he gave me the Igeris of Rav Shari Ragon, which was written like in the 700 to 900 period or something like that, when the Gaonim were around in Babylon. And it was all about every Rosh Yeshiva from the times of the temple destruction all the way until the year 1000. All the Rosh Yeshivas who passed on the Torah. If you don't know this information, Torah may be a little fiery and harsh for you. So when you learn it with this contemplation of how the Torah got to you, Kamosh Amr, like it says in Devarim in the Torah 33 verse 4, Torah tziva lanu Moshe. The Torah was commanded to us, it was given to us, the mitzvahs were taught to us by who? By Moses. The Torah tells you, you got to learn how it got to you. This is not a rabbinical thing, the Torah is telling you. Shehu Meireh Rabbecha, which is having this awe and humility and respect for your rabbis, for your masters. Yuchal lekabel es Torah, then, only then can you receive the Torah when we have this position. V'toyer bo kifi erech madregaso, and the Torah will light up for you based on the level that you got to of your understanding of this transmission. The more you understand it, the more the Torah will give you light. I'll ramble a lot longer, but it's starting to rain, and I love you all so much. That's it for today. Stay strong. Let's just know, over and out. We got it.